Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all are doing good. This is your Islamiyat unit and I am your teacher Miss Amreen. Today we will start with the chapter of ethics. The principles of ethics are often discussed with the respect to gain and benefits to society at large. What is good or bad is supposedly determined by the rule of the majority, with little attention given to the principle of morality. Islamic ethics differ from the Western concept as these are derived from Allah, directly from the Quran, and from the practice of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. Islam holds that man is born with a morally good nature that responds to faith and ethical values. Over time, it may corrupted due to temptation and man's inability to exercise control over his desires. According to Islam, there is universal equality among mankind with the single exception of moral goodness and strength of character or taqwa. The Quran is replete with clear messages pertaining to ethic and standard of behaviors that Allah expects mankind to adopt because He has sent him to this world as His vicegerent. These cover all aspects of truthfulness, honesty, kindness, integrity that includes being consistent in word and deeds, meeting commitments and sincerity. The best example of ethics is in the life of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. Islamic ethics is a code of conduct that calls for mankind to undertake a continuous process of self purification in social interaction through intention and deeds the benefits other humans beings as well as other creation of Allah in using their resources that Allah has given him in a wise manner and in bringing him closer to the ideal. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, described that the best among you are those who are the honor of the best morality. Hope you all have understood. Now coming towards the assignment. Today's assignment is question, draw a web and write down the important ethical values. Do the given assignment in your exercise book. Make sure your work should be neat and clean. Have a nice day.